Welcome to TribeTopper, the Algebra Series, and we are doing algebraic identities. We have to expand and simplify x plus 4 whole cube. Now, this is the identity a plus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. You have to again memorize this identity and compare x as a with a and 4 as b. So, a plus b whole cube means x plus 4 whole cube will be a cube, that is x cubed, plus 3 times a square b. So 3 times x square into 4 plus 3 times ab square, that is 3 times x into 4 square, plus b cube, that is 4 cube. So we get x cubed plus 3 times 4 is 12, x square plus 3 times 16 is 48x plus 4 cube is 64. So just compare it with the identity, and in place of a and b, you substitute the values as x and 4.